Tumekwisha kusemwa na kiongozi wetu wa kanisa ni ya kwamba ni Mungu ambaye anafungua kizazi ama kufunga kizazi.
Nago tigana na yubono mocho murigereria kyombe keligyo korigereria na koigero bene bwa mwanya bantu kemanya kentebu na Kenya National Commission on Human Rights Knchr nigobono kyaberege korikario kana wego kuborio kyombe keligyo bochori nechimbe Iebc konyara kurwa maigrese nego cyasaba Kenya na kwango yana kone kibunango kini barobokori bwabo kolengana ne kyombe kyo nigo gyatebire buna ko murungane nigo kwarokana anene asobwa kichukura nigo chenga kichibanga dine kyombe keligyo bochori nechimbe Iebc konyara kubeke birango bisaine anaso konyara kurwa megerese nego chia sabate nibeke ombekyo ane bali bagokoria chikura asekerenga buna konyara gukora obututukano wakoboko neki wa ekero chikura chiwako kwana ya nigo baganie kyombekyo konyara kubwaterana bunenchire ya muyokinia obukoreri bwabo.
Behoves each and every stakeholder here to work towards ensuring that the independence of the Commission is maintained by ensuring proper, timely recruitment of commissioners into that commission so that we don't experience any gaps or lapses in terms of having that commission operating independently and ensuring that steps towards preparing for the next general election, reforms noted in our recommendations are taken up in time. So this is a space we ask all of you to hold hands and work on as we move forward in